In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Photos backup stuck. If your Google Photos backup has been frozen for a while, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple adjustments. We're going to go through the most effective things you can do on Android to get your backup moving again. First, restart the backup queue inside Google Photos. A stalled upload queue is often the main reason backups stop progressing. Open the Google Photos app, tap your profile picture, go to Photos settings, then tap Backup. Turn Backup off, wait about 15 seconds, and then turn it back on. This gives the app a chance to refresh the upload process and reconnect properly. After turning it back on, give it a moment to see if the backup resumes. Next, clear the app cache for Google Photos. Over time, cached data can become cluttered or outdated, and that can interfere with normal app behavior. On your Android phone, go to Settings, then Apps, then Google Photos, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This does not delete your photos or videos, so it's a safe troubleshooting step. It simply removes temporary files that may be causing the backup process to get stuck. After that, check the app's permissions and battery settings. If Google Photos doesn't have the right access, it may not be able to read your media properly or continue backing up in the background. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Google Photos, then Permissions, and make sure photos and videos access is allowed. While you're there, also check the battery settings for the app. If battery optimization is limiting background activity, set it to unrestricted so backups can continue without being paused by your phone's power saving system. This is especially helpful if backups seem to stop whenever the screen is off. Finally, clear out app trash and look for large or problematic video files. Sometimes one corrupted video or a very large file can hold up the entire backup queue. Open Google Photos and empty the trash if needed, and also check your phone's trash or recycle bin to free up local storage space. Then review your camera roll for unusually large videos or clips that won't play properly. These types of files often trigger upload errors. If you find one, that may be the item causing the backup to stall. By working through these fixes one by one, you can usually get Google Photos backing up normally again. If one step doesn't solve it, move on to the next and check the backup status after each change.